The effort made in drafting appropriate lease technical and operational covenants to protect asset value throughout the lease period is often seriously undermined by a subsequent failure of the aircraft owner or lessor to police their compliance with the lessee. Our partner has therefore developed a portfolio of lease management products, which allows the lessor to outsource administrative and technical oversight of the asset for the duration of the lease term in a highly economical manner.